all these flavors and I don't even have a regular bottle of honey. Nothing beats the classic honey. It doesn't melt as fast as regular corn syrup. This stuff can only be outside your fridge for like 5 minutes. Honey lasts 2 times longer. Let's make a regular watermelon honey. This will 100% work. I froze it for 5 hours. It looks good, but will it taste good? Let's have Jory taste test it.
Let's see how it turned out. Wow. That was good.
Supposedly soda from Mexico is sweeter. It should be perfect for a jelly bottle. I'm gonna add some Haribo Happy Cola. Maybe these will help out with the gummy texture. It looks a bit watery, but let's test it. I'm gonna add some silver sugar sprinkles. Place it inside a bottle. Now we freeze it. I think it might have caramelized because it looks brown now. It's literally syrup made from soda. Let's test out what candy is compatible with the syrup. We're gonna test out mixed sprinkles. Some nerds, even though I recommend using these. Some chocolate sprinkles. And finally, strawberry boba. I'm gonna be using clear syrup. Hopefully the candy doesn't lose its color. I froze them for about 5 hours. I can already tell the boba did not work. Nope, the boba froze solid. The mix sprinkled worked, but it made the syrup brown. Nerds obviously work. The chocolate's the one I want to try. Let's try and make our own syrup using Fanta soda. We're gonna heat it up to condense it. I haven't tried this, but I think it will work. Soda has a bunch of sugar, so I should be able to make it into a syrup. I'm gonna use about 4. I'm gonna let it cool off. I think this actually might work. I'm gonna add some sandy sugar though, just to make it sparkle. Okay, let's fill up our bottle. Now we just freeze it. I left it overnight. It looks darker. Might have froze solid, I don't know. You know what? It looks like the first one I made. Still pretty sugary, but yeah, pretty good. Let me show you how to make a Sriracha bottle jelly. You'll need some chamoy, chili powder tajin, some Lucas, Kool-Aid kiwi strawberry, sanding sugar, some citric powder, red food coloring, and some clear corn syrup. Let's add them all together. The rest of it should be all corn syrup. Fill up your bottle, freeze it. 1 day later. Not too spicy, delicious. Some of you wanted a sugar-free option. I have some sugar-free syrups. Let's see if they work. We have caramel, strawberry, chocolate, and maple. Let's fill up the strawberry, the chocolate. The caramel's color looks a bit boring, so I'm gonna add some red. Now we pour the maple. Now I'm gonna freeze them for 5 hours. 5 hours later. Let's try chocolate first. Didn't work. Now strawberry. Now the maple. Please, caramel better work. So they didn't work. I'm gonna try and make a Kool-Aid bottle jelly. I don't think this has enough sugar, but let's give it a try. It evaporated. We'll just have to add some more. And we're gonna add some syrup. Should work now, even though I was trying not to use syrup. It smells pretty good. I'll just add some sanding sugar. Now we just freeze it overnight. So I froze it and it worked. So I made a purple one. Kool-Aid works, but it melts in less than 5 minutes. Wow, this one melted way too fast. I'm gonna try and make a bottle jelly only using cotton candy. Just kidding, I forgot I'm gonna use water. Cotton candy is all sugar, so I think this should work. I ended up using a lot of cotton candy, but it does look syrupy now. Might just be my lighting, but it looks like a purple blue. You know what? Let's go for that purple color. Time to place it inside the bottle. Okay, let's freeze it. 6 hours later. It's good. I don't like cotton candy though.